Hi everybody, we're here back with more Revit training. We continue on with our roof framing for our precast project that we've been working on. So in our 3D view you can see I've got purlins, and then in our top of footing we've got some base plates with our RHS or SRS square hollow sections here with our plates. So continuing on, I'm going to just have these views and give you a look at how we do the connections for the we've got these beams and we've got these hollow sections now, connections on the top. So it's much easier to do this in the plan view. So I'm going to tab this view and I'm going to zoom right in here, and what we have, these are basically clip angles. So here now, again, I'm going to review this quickly for you guys so you can just see it. I got some in here. I don't have them all, but we're going to put them in. But so basically what happens is you need to be in your structure, and you go down here and you'll see where you have this little arrow. You got two arrows. You got this one, and then you got this little one here. So you hit this little arrow. This brings up all of your connections. Now normally they over here, but I put them all over here because I'm going to use them all. I'm only using the clip angle here, so I'm just cancel out of that. So that's how you bring them in. So now I'm going to add a few here. So we'll just go and say for this one, you go in a structural connection, and you'll see that little symbol, and then you just grab the column and the beam, then do a right click and finish selection. Then you see this number 1 and 2, and then you go, yep, just simple. So just go and add a few more in here. Want to repeat structural connection that way, and then you go and add it. Now go do this one, and I'll show you a few more features you can use here. Let's go and grab that and that, and we're gonna go repeat structural connection here. Okay, repeat structural connection. So now I'm gonna go in here to us. Okay, wow, we got a lot of these to do. Sorry, I should have done more of these before I started this video. Right click, repeat structural connection there. And we're going to do that one there. So now you can modify these as well. So go here. Okay, now what I'm going to show you here, I don't want to make this a long video. You guys seem to like to watch the short ones, and I don't blame you because I'm the same way. So there. So now we've got a few of these placed. Now let's get some more in here. Wow, didn't do a lot of these. And then it doesn't really matter the beam straight out. Let me see, finish selection. Okay, because normally these beams will stop at a point, but now with this case, with these, they're smart enough to know where the connection is going to end up. That's really neat. Okay, now we need another one over here. Right click, repeat structural connection. Okay, now here, what we can do, I'm going to show you this. How many more I got in here? Wow, we need a lot more. I think you got to do these one by one, actually. So I'm going to go here, right click. I'll do these later. Repeat structural. Oh, let me see if I can do it that way. Oh yeah, I think it can. No, see, it won't allow that. This little symbol means invalid connection type. So you sort of undo that guy, and you basically got to get the two pieces like that one there, and there's our connection, our clip angle. So here, I'm going to do a few more here. I'm going to put them all in actually before I complete. Okay. Okay, now what you can also do here, you can say for instance, I can select this and I'm going to my edit type here. And and as you can see, there's the connection. And you can zoom around in this guy. And there's our cleat plate on that one column. So now what you can do here, you can go in here and you can edit this. You might want to duplicate it first and say clip angle 2, okay, and go duplicate. Uh-oh, sorry, that's 3. I got 2. So we're going to go with 2 and we go edit this. And you have all these parameters here. Say like for instance, these bolts, you might want to have them wider or narrower or different, let me see, horizontal bolts. So they're 1 3/4 now. So they might say if they go out to, say we go out to 2 inches here. So you see what happens? But I don't think necessarily we want that. See, that's 2 feet. So we don't want to go out 2 feet. So I'm going to go back to clip angle 1, the original one, and click apply. It should go back. Okay, no it didn't. So I'm going to go back here and edit this. Horizontal bolts. It's making me a liar. Okay, it fixed itself. There you go. So if I go back to 2, I'm going to cancel out of this. It's kind of working slow, but this is a good idea how you can do this. Now I showed you how to do this with our base plates as well. So if I go to 2, you see what happens. Okay, but we're not necessarily going to use 2. So we're going to go back to 1 here, our first one, click OK. So we have many different things you can do with these clip angles, with these structural connections here. So I'm going to do a few more of these. Okay, now it wouldn't allow that connection. That was because I didn't select them both. So you have to select these 2. Wait a second here, let me grab these 2 right here, the column and the beam. There. And here, same way, you want to go this the column and the beam. Got a little issue here. Okay, let me fix this one up. This is error, this is wrong again. Okay, so this is how we're going to continue our framing. I'll put the rest of these connections in. Want to waste time doing that. Actually, how many more I got here? Not too many more. So I'm going to go here and just go back into my connection. Select that column and beam. Finish selection. There you go. Anybody know a fast way to do this? See right there. Okay, so now once you have all those done, I'm going to go into my 3D view and have a look what we got here. So there's all of our connections going in. We've got our joist there. And then we might want to put a cover on this, a flooring on top of this. So we go to our roof plan again here, go back into my roof, and then let's go with our top cover, our floor for our roof, and we're going to go to structure, and we're going to structural floor, and I'm going to do here, let me see what types we got here. We're going to do a metal, no concrete, because we don't think we need any concrete up there. Or we might go with a lightweight concrete on metal. Let's do no concrete for now. And then what we'll do is we'll select the supports here. We'll select our supports. There, one there, one there. Then we'll extend these to intersect. And finish. Is that a good span direction we want? Is that the lowest shortest span? Well, it doesn't matter here, and I'm gonna finish it. And then we should have our roof in there. So let's go to the 3D view, and there we go. We've got our roof, and then we've got a section view we can take a look at here. Let's go look in that section view. So there's our framing and our roof. Let's go in another direction. Let's just take this guy and bring it over here and rotate it 90 degrees. See what we got. Oh geez, sorry folks. Just do this. Not having a good day today. So there's our roof and our beam connections and everything. So hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. We're gonna go ahead and start generating our structural drawings. But this is how you would do our roof with our connections. So hey guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Let me hide this for now and go back and finish making my connections. So I'm gonna hide this for now and keep working on this. I don't want to bore you all. Hide element. And come on. Keep it going. So hey guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Be safe y'all, and please subscribe. Helps me make these videos, and if you haven't started, continue on with the videos that we've been doing here from the start. Everybody be safe and bye. Thanks for watching.